Hello everybody, it's Amell, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the add binary problem. Given two binary strings, return their sum, also a binary string. The input strings are both non-empty and contain only characters 1 or 0. Example 1. A is the string 1 1. The binary number 1 1 in decimal is 3. B is the binary number 1. In decimal is 1. When you add them up, you also return a binary string. The result is 100, which means 4 in decimal. So 3 plus 1 is 4 in decimal. So how can we solve this problem? We can solve this problem applying the basic algorithm for addition that we were taught in elementary school. So we're going to have two indices, and they will start from the right. So we're going to go from right to left, and we're gonna be adding the digits, and we also can have carry. So we need to have a variable for the carry to keep track of the carry. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to write the code. First, I need a stream builder. SB gets the value of new stream builder. I'm using stream builder because strings in Java are immutable. So I also need an index in A and index in B. So integer m gets a value of a.length minus 1. That's going to be the index in A. N gets a value of b.length minus 1. I also need a variable for the carry. So carry gets a value of 0. Then I want to iterate. So while m is greater than or equal to 0 or n is greater than or equal to 0, that means that as long as I have elements to add either in A or B or in both, I keep iterating because I want to add them up. So I'm going to say, okay, let me get the value to add or the digit to add from A. So integer v1 gets a value of m is greater than or equal to 0. If that's the case, that means that I'm within bounds, so I have more elements to add. So I'm going to say it's going to be the digit in A at position m. I have to convert that character to a digit by subtracting 0 from it, and because I'm done processing this digit in A, I have to move to the next one by subtracting 1 from the index. Okay, otherwise, if m is less than 0, that means that I'm outside of bounds, I'm out of bounds, so I just put 0 in v1. I do the same thing for the value in B. I say value 2 gets a value of n is greater than or equal to 0. If it is within bounds, I get the value of position n in B, be the char at n, and subtract 0 from it to convert to a number. And then because I'm done with this digit, I subtract 1 from n to go to the next one. If it is out of bounds, I just assign 0 to v2. If n is less than 0, it's out of bounds, so I just put a 0 here. So now I can say integer sum gets a value of v1, the value 1 plus value 2 plus the carry. And now I can add this digit to the final result. So I'm going to say sb.insert. I want to put it at the front because I'm going from right to left, so I want to put the value at the front, at position 0 in the final result. What do I want to insert? The sum modulo 2. Because this is base 2, binary, I just want to get the rightmost digit. In case there's a carry, I just want to get the rightmost digit. And I want to check if I have a carry for the next iteration when I'm adding them up. So I'm going to say carry gets the value of the sum divided by 2. This is integer division. So I'm going to check if there's a carry, then by doing this, divided by 2, I'm going to get a 1 in the carry variable. So in the end, I just check. There's a special case. If carry equals 1, that means that there was a carry, so I have to insert it. So I say sb.insert at position 0, the value 1, and then convert that to a string. And so this is going to return this. If there was a carry, just insert a 1 and then convert it to a string. If there was no carry, just convert to a string, sb.toString, and return it. I'm going to run the code. It seems to be working fine. I'm gonna submit a solution. Alright, so this is working perfectly. The time complexity is big O of m plus n, where m is the length of string A and n is the length of string B. Please press the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.